Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I have a tip for you using the Lily Framelits that will be available during March while supplies last. They coordinate with the free Lasting Lily stamp set that's part of the Celebration offerings. And I'm sure by now, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, that you have seen the Add Amazing Color to Lasting Lily. And these Lily Framelits will help you to take your Lasting Lily creations up another notch. And of course, no more fussy cutting. So when the video's over, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then head over to my blog and shop with me so that I can continue to bring you projects every day and videos. So let's flip this camera over and get on with the creating. So last week I shared with you a card for adding amazing color to the Lasting Lily stamp set that is free during Celebration with a qualifying purchase from my store. And since then, the Lily Framelits have come out, and these coordinate with the Lasting Lily stamp set. So I'll have a link for how to gain this color for your Lasting Lily in the description below this video. But what we want to show you is how to use the framelits with the stamps. So as you all know, photopolymer stamps are very flexible. And what that means is when they're in thinner shapes like this, they can move around when you want to line them up with your, for the dies. So, my brain is not quite doing this. So what I want to do is lay my die down, then lay my stamp in the die so that there's no chance it doesn't line up. And then I'm just going to use my block and pick up my stamp, and then I can pull the framelit off and do all of my stamping. You can do the same thing with the Stamparatus. All you're going to do is lay this down, lay your stamp in it, and then bring the cover of the Stamparatus over. So I hope that will help you with lining up some of your narrower photopolymer stamps like the Lasting Lily with the Lily Framelits. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, then hop on over to my blog, theartfulinker.com, and please shop with me so that I can continue to bring you creations every day and videos. Bye. Thanks for your support.